Hey everyone. Okay, so different topic today, but I just wanted to kind of rant a tiny bit and just get things off my chest because it's just been bothering me. Not everyone wants to be famous, and I know a lot of people want to be famous, and in this day and age, you can be famous for nothing. I have never ever wanted to be famous, ever. And that might sound strange when you've got nearly 4 million subscribers. But if you look at the progression of my career, I've never sought out any form of fame outside of YouTube. None of that stuff happened. Now, the way the progression of YouTube goes is you start here. Everybody starts where they start. And if you're lucky, you will do an incline and you will reach a peak, which will be your highest you can get in terms of viewers, engagement, all of that stuff. You reach the peak and you maintain it for a very short period of time, and then you decline. And that's a natural progression, and nothing can stop that. No one can stay at the top forever. And during my climb and peak, there were a lot of opportunities to do other things, to move into different realms, TV, all that kind of nonsense. I wanted no part of it. I still want no part of it. I don't like it. I want to be able to walk the street and have no one recognize me. And I can do that absolutely. Unless we're talking huge makeup shows, I can walk the streets and no one knows who I am. And I love that. The thing that I find very difficult is, and this is happening a lot recently, I do not want to do, what I want to do is film my videos for you, whether they're reviews or makeup tutorials or whatever, techniques. I just want to do those kind of things on YouTube for you here. I want to create my makeup and makeup brushes. They're all coming back, just to let you know. That's what I want to do. That's it. I don't want to do TV. I don't want to be famous. I don't want to do any of that stuff. One of my biggest fears is, I just hate it so much. I hate being around loads of people, lots and lots of people. I find it very, very upsetting. It makes me panic. And particularly lots of lights, cameras everywhere. It frightens me. I do not like it. And it's not that the people in my life don't know this. They do know this. But I get asked a lot, will you do this? When they know full well, I do not want to do that. And it is in my nature to want to please. So majority of the time I will say, look, let me think about it. When you know full well, I do not want to do it and you shouldn't have asked. But I get it a lot. And I'm the one that's constantly letting them down, despite the fact that they know I do not want to do this. And yet at the end, I feel like I'm the one that's to blame, even though I've made it clear from day one, I don't want to do this. So don't ask me, no point, I don't want to do it. But I always get this global guilt of, we've let them down. When they know, easiest way to describe it is, imagine you're scared of heights. I am, by the way, but imagine you are. And somebody says, do you want to climb up this ladder? And you go, no, I'm scared of heights. And they go, but it's not that high. Why don't you just give it a go? Because I don't want to. I've already said I don't like it. But honestly, this will be fine. What if it's a controlled environment? What if we just do the... No, I don't want to. I've already explained it. I find myself in this situation a lot recently, and I don't like it. I don't want to climb a ladder. I don't want to film with lots of crew and lights and settings. I don't want to be famous. I want to do YouTube. I want to review. I want to explain. I want to do all the things that I know I can do. I want to create makeup and makeup brushes that are excellent. And I want to be left alone because I think that's enough. You know, a lot of people court the limelight and want that attention. I do not. I just want people around me that understand who I am, what I'm about, and accept me for that. And aren't trying to push me into a situation that they know I will not enjoy. And I find it very frustrating because it is not in my nature to be unpleasant to anyone or to let people down. But there are some things I just do not want to do. In the very beginnings of my career, I had a very big opportunity to enter the television realm. No, I don't want to. I cannot, and this isn't for, I know people will be like, oh, poor you. But I cannot, so many times I've been offered to go on ridiculous trips. I was once going to be flown to Australia first class to go on a yacht and mingle with all these ridiculous people. I had nothing to do with the entire setup or what this thing was about. Why would I go to that? I have nothing to do with it. Nothing. Why would I walk a red carpet when I have nothing to do with the film? Explain that to me. Try and help me understand. I don't want it. I don't like it. It's not for me. Quite happy communicating with you here, quietly, in the comfort of my home, where I prefer to be. And I think that's all right. But anyway, just wanted to share and get it off my chest because it's been getting on my tits and I'm hearing it all the time. What if we do this? And what if we do that? What if you just understand that I've already said no? Why don't you accept that? Because there's that involved. That's why. Anyway, there we go. What can you do? Just got to get on with it. Right. Sorry for ranting. I know. Poor me. See you next time. Bye-bye.